Hi there! Today, we will show you how to use the inclusion feature using WP Dark Mode. So head over to Settings of the WP Dark Mode. Then click on Include Excludes, where you will paste the code from your WordPress site. This is the very site we will edit using the Dark Mode feature. So far, the entire site turns dark when we enable the Dark Mode feature. To use the inclusion feature, simply right-click on an area and select Inspect Element which you want to darken. Copy the element of your site. Then paste it in the empty box of the Include Element option. Be sure to add a comma before the element as shown in this video. Now save your changes and refresh your page. This is how your site will look like when you enable the WP Dark Mode. So if you like this feature, then download WP Dark Mode and start using it for free. If you have any query or need any help, contact us at support@wppool.dev.